What if you saw an unauthorized transaction on your EverBank account? That pit in your stomach when you check your balance and something just looks wrong, it's a feeling no one wants. In that moment, what you do next matters most. The good news is, EverBank has specific teams and procedures in place to help you immediately. Your first step needs to be fast and decisive. 1. Contact EverBank immediately. Time is critical when dealing with potential fraud. Do not try to solve it yourself, and do not waste time calling general support lines. EverBank has dedicated numbers for security and unauthorized activity. For suspicious activity on your account, debit card, or stolen checks, call the Security Center right away at 1-888-882-3837. This number is your direct line to starting an investigation and protecting your funds. If the issue is with a lost or stolen EverBank credit card, there are two numbers depending on when the card was opened. For a credit card opened in 2025, call 1-800-558-3424. For a credit card opened prior to 2025, call 1-800-738-2615. Keep these numbers stored in your phone now, so you aren't scrambling in a crisis. 2. Change your passwords. As soon as you've reported the issue, change all your passwords and PINs. Start with your EverBank online banking login and any other financial accounts that might share the same password. Make sure your new passwords are strong, unique, and stored securely. 3. Review your identity. Beyond your bank account, fraud can affect your entire financial identity. EverBank recommends a few crucial steps to help protect yourself long-term. Review your credit report. Pull a free copy of your credit report from each of the three major bureaus, Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax, and check for accounts or activity you don't recognize. Place a fraud alert. Consider placing a fraud alert on your credit file. This makes it harder for criminals to open new credit in your name. Report scams to authorities. If you believe you were the victim of an internet or phone scam, you should also report the experience to the FTC at reportfraud.ftc.gov and the FBI's Internet Crime Complaint Center. Remember, EverBank will never call you and ask for your full account number, PIN, or complete social security number. If you get a suspicious call, hang up and use the official number to call them back. Staying vigilant and acting fast is your best defense. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.